Wow, guys, how about that?
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, it's an old copper mine over there. I'll put the name up. I can't remember right now. Let's just look. That was the view to the west from where we're camped. The view to the east ain't too shabby either.
No, it sure isn't. Damn, that's beautiful.
This whole place is really beautiful here.
Yeah, it is.
The rhyolites, plentiful. Oh, it's these deadly pine cones. Be careful. These pine cones will get you.
They were sticking in the bottom of his flip-flop.
Yeah, they sure were. That hurt. I don't want to go too far here tonight, huh? I think we'll head back down, back to camp. Maybe you guys would like to see what camp looks like, huh? Wow, that is beautiful. All right, guys, having our morning coffee. Is he still there, honey?
Yeah, it hasn't moved.
Check this out, guys. Look right there. This guy ran around our tent all morning, getting all the insects for us.
Except the ants.
Except the ants. Look at this guy. He's so bored he's not even looking at me. Oh, look at the beautiful yellow under his legs. Where'd he go? We're gonna leave him alone, let him have his morning. We're gonna have ours with some wonderful coffee. Had some great dinner last night. A lot of ants in the tent. A lot of ants. We're gonna get everything out of there today, I think. Do a little de-antification. Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Piles on plates.
We got some rocks here. These rocks we collected around camp. Oh, we got these rocks here. These we collected up at the Garnet Hill site. And of course we got all those garnets we showed in that earlier video too.
We sure are.
So come on, let me show you where to go. Look at that.
Oh, wow. It's right there.
Wow, you can really see that. Wow, look what she got, guys.
Oh, no.
Bloop. But we're gonna take the day off and get some work done around camp here. Maybe head up to Garnet Hill tomorrow morning or this evening. We'll be sure to bring you along, guys. See you then. What a beautiful tree. Okay, we're kind of lit horror movie style here.
That's creepy.
It was a dark and scary night. That is creepy.
That is
Sorry,
super
guys.
Creepy. Mwah.
Oh, look, we can do shadow puppets.
Oh, jeez. You're hilarious. It's just too much.
It is really windy here tonight, guys.
Yeah, it is.
I know I like to be intense, but it's not always fun to be intense when the wind is up.
No.
Well, there's Heidi working. It's the morning. We gotta get up. We gotta get ready to get going here. Headed to Beaver. Our time here at Garnet Hill is done. We got a really weird sun this morning. Check this out. It's been a lot of fun, but it's time to get out. Wow, that is some crazy, crazy fire smoke in the area here. Ely, Nevada, leaving Garnet Hill, and the smoke is just incredible, guys. Heidi's having a lot of breathing problems. Ready to get out of town. What?
We're on the Lincoln Highway.
Yeah, we're on the Lincoln Highway, so it feels like home. Mining. A lot of mining activity around here. It's been beautiful to look at. We definitely enjoyed our time here in Ely. Head to the post office. Get some stuff out for those donators. Thanks so much, guys.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe. There's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Wow, guys, we're in Utah. We're about 60 miles from our destination in Beaver. And it is beautiful. The smoke is about the same though, huh? Little less.
A little less.
But just amazing scenery, guys.
The mountains are beautiful. I said the mountains are beautiful. We will not be camping in them though.
No, not this time.
A little hot. And barren.
Yeah. And Heidi's been sick. We're gonna give her a little recovery time in a hotel. Hopefully better tomorrow.
Yes. Because we're on to Cali tomorrow.
Yeah,
Not to Cali.
back in Colorado.
There we go. Good God, Heidi. trying to get out of the desert.
We're getting close. This is starting to look better, huh?
It is.
Here we are in the middle of Utah. Heidi's not doing so well. Beautiful horses. And that's the B to the east as we come into town. Hope it's not all smoked out in the morning. We'll see.